Stealth warriors, the Ada Class Corvettes. Introducing the genesis of naval warfare, the Ada Class Corvettes. Developed by the Turkish Navy, the Ada Class is a cutting-edge littoral combat ship designed to provide indigenous anti-submarine warfare and high-seas patrol capabilities. Utilizing stealth technology and machine learning, the Ada Class is equipped with advanced radar and sonar systems, making it a formidable force on the naval battlefield. Join us as we explore the design, development, and capabilities of the Ada Class Corvettes, the future of naval warfare. The Ada Class is a class of corvettes, a part of the MILGEM project, developed primarily for the Turkish Navy. The Turkish Navy has already commissioned all 4 Ada Class Corvettes, and more are scheduled to enter into service in due course. Development of Ada Class Corvette. The design objective of the Ada Class is to build a modern littoral combat ship with indigenous anti-submarine warfare and high-seas patrol capabilities, while extensively using the principles of stealth technology in its design. According to the Ada Class acquisition model, Turkey's Undersecretariat for Defense Industries, SSM, signed R&D contracts for the 2 prototype ships, which are considered to be testing platforms. This being an open-end project, the first and second ships of the class were expected to be slightly different in terms of vessel design and system configuration. The subsequent vessels, scheduled to be built by private shipyards, would have a more optimized design and configuration. In September 2013, it was announced that the Ada Class was to be temporarily put on hold after the completion of the first 2 corvettes by the Istanbul Naval Shipyard, and that the bid won by RMK Marine to build 6 more corvettes was cancelled. This was reported because the other shipbuilders complained about the bidding process. TCG Bayukada, TCG Burgazada, and TCG Kenaliada were built by the Istanbul Naval Shipyard Command. The construction works of the first Ada Class Corvette Habelayada began in 2005. TCG Habelayada was launched with a ceremony on September 27, 2008. On November 2, 2010, Habelayada started undergoing sea acceptance trials before being officially commissioned. Habelayada entered Navy service on September 27, 2011. The cost of the Habelayada was around $260 million. The production of the second ship of the class, TCG Bayukada, commenced on September 27, 2008. Bayukada was expected to incorporate weapon systems with notable performance, such as the ASELSAN air search radar. Bayukada was launched on September 27, 2011 and underwent sea acceptance trials before it was officially commissioned on September 27, 2013. The construction of TCG Burgazada commenced on December 17, 2014. The ship was launched on June 2016 and commissioned on November 4, 2018. Turkish Naval Forces Command, TNFC, received its 4th and last Ada Class, MILGEM, anti-submarine warfare corvette, TCG Kenaliada, F514, on September 29, 2019, at a commissioning ceremony held at Istanbul Naval Shipyard. On November 4, 2019, the Turkish Defense Industries Presidency, SSB, announced that the Turkish Navy's TCG Kenaliada, a MILGEM Ada Class anti-submarine warfare, ASW, corvette, successfully test-fired an Atmaca anti-ship cruising missile, ASCM. This missile will replace the inventory of Harpoon, ASM, by 2022. Design. The ships are propelled by a Renk Kodak cross-connect propulsion plant. It consists of a gas turbine rated at 23,000 kilowatts and 2 diesel engines rated at 4,320 kilowatts, 5,790 horsepower. Each diesel engine drives one controllable pitch propeller via a 2-speed main reduction gear. The cross-connect gear splits the power from the gas turbine via both main reduction gears to the 2 shafts. The ship can be operated in diesel mode and single gas turbine mode, or in Kodag mode. Kodag is where diesel and gas turbine engines are providing combined power, 27,320 kilowatts. The design concept and mission profile of the Ada Class Corvette bears similarities with the Freedom-Class Littoral Combat Ship developed by Lockheed Martin as the first member of the next generation of U.S. Navy warships. The Ada Class Corvettes are more heavily armed and are equipped with more capable radar and sonar systems. The Freedom class has a higher speed and variable mission modules. Genesis, Gemi Integer Savas Idere Systeme, i.e., Ship Integrated Combat Management System, a network-centric warfare management system developed by ASELSAN and initially used in the upgraded G-class frigates of the Turkish Navy, was contracted for the first 2 Ada Class Corvettes on May 23, 2007. The MILGEM project warships have indigenous hull-mounted sonar developed by the Scientific and Technological Research Foundation of Turkey. The sonar has been developed and produced by STM subcontractor ONA BG Defense Systems, extensively employing nano-enhanced fiber reinforced polymer. The Ada class features an electronic chart precise integrated navigation system, ECPINS, supplied by OSI Geospatial. Integrated Platform Management System, IPMS, delivered by STM subcontractor YALTS JV, monitors and controls machinery, auxiliary systems, electrical power generation, and distribution. The main systems integrated in IPMS include a power management system, fire detection system, firefighting, damage control system, CCTV system, and stability control system. Join Intel Prime Channel membership and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.